Alright, so this is how to take apart an Xbox 360. This will void your warranty with Microsoft, so if you still have a warranty, don't do this. So what you're going to need is a T10. You can get this at Menards or Home Depot, I think. And a T8, that's Torx 8. A Phillips screwdriver, if you're going to use this to hot swap, and a pocket knife, and I recommend a little thing to hold the screws. Alright, so what you're going to want to do first is take out all the cords and your hard drive, which I think you should know how to do that. And now just take off your faceplate, like stick your finger in that little hole right there, and just pop it off. Throw it to the side. Alright, now what you're gonna do is grab your pocket knife, or whatever you're using, pull out a little thingy. I think this one. Or no, just use your T8 and just pop out these. There's like 3 little things somewhere in here. You should hear them pop. Now just go to the other side and do the same thing. And now just pop off the top cover. And do the same thing with the bottom. I think this one, yeah, this one you have to take off this little foot. And I just pop that off. Alright, now you gotta grab your pocket knife this time and just pop out the little thingy. And now start, like, there should be 7 of these little, I don't know which one to call them, but just stick your thing in there until you hear it pop, like that. Now just pop these 5 clips off the front. And if you have your seal still on, just peel it off or cut it or whatever. There, now pop this off. Okay, now you should have 6 screws in these 6 spots. Okay, there's 6 screws, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. You should have screws here too, but I took one apart. See the arrows? Okay, now you're going to want to take those out with your T10. I'm going to put your screws in your little box. I only have 4 in mine because I lost some. And then just leave all those little screws in there, the other screws. Just don't mess with those. Unless you're doing red ring of death fix, then take out all the screws. Okay, now that you got all those out, you're going to want to take off the eject button just by grabbing right here. Like there's a white thing on your button, just grab right here and pull really hard, like that, throw it in there. Now the top should come off, and as you can see I took this apart already, and I messed up. There, I put some stuff right here. Alright, so it's apart. I usually just take this thing off, right here, pull the thing on the power button. Now there should be 3 T9 screws on there. That's why you need, or the T8 screwdriver, to take out these T8s, and then just pull this off. And now, if you just want to know how to take it apart, you can just stop watching. If you want to know how to take apart your CD drive to hotspot, just keep watching. Okay, so you take out your CD drive, you unplug these two cords, and you flip it over. You grab your Phillips screwdriver, and you unscrew the screws. Don't touch the lens on the inside. And I'll put that screw in there. Okay, now you take off the top. Oh, you have to break the little seal here. Your drive may look different than mine, too, because there's different models of Xboxes. Now just grab it by the legs and just pull it off. And then there's your CD drive. Now if you want a hot swap, you have to take off this sticker, or I just cut a hole around it. Or some of them don't have stickers on the holes. Now just stick your knife underneath anywhere on here and just grab it like that. Be careful, don't cut yourself unless you're emo. Now this one's different. Now just twist this thing off with your fingers. Or just now. Now just see, you got that down there, mine kind of broke. Just be careful when you do this so it doesn't break. I'm doing this with a spare Xbox too. And just twist that off, and it's like a magnet, I think. Oh, this part's the magnet right here. Just clips on the thing. Yeah, see ya. Now it's apart.